Hello again and welcome back. Today we are continuing to talk about sentences. So last week we talked about what a sentence was, and we talked about the who and the what come together to make the sentence complete. We also started to talk about two very important parts of the sentence. A sentence always starts with a capital letter, and a sentence always ends with a punctuation mark. Remember the sentence song. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a punctuation mark, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. So this week we're going to practice that because it's so easy to forget, but it's so important. So in just a little bit, you're going to, on a separate sheet of paper, correct these sentences. But I want to walk you through what this looks like first. So I'm going to skip the directions. This is for what you're going to do all by yourself. So you're going to look at the sentence and you're going to read it to yourself or have an adult help you with the reading. And then you're going to fix the two mistakes. This week, each sentence will only have two mistakes. As you get to be better readers and writers, maybe there will be more mistakes. So you're going to play like you are the teacher and you are correcting these sentences. Students have turned them in and they are missing two very important things. Do you remember what they are? You are correct if you said that this sentence needs a capital letter. So instead of a little I, we need a big I and a punctuation mark. So this is where it can get a little tricky. But we want to we just test it. Is this sentence a telling sentence or an asking sentence? If you can answer the question, then you know it is a question. If it's just telling you something, it is a statement. It needs a period. So this just says, I can jump. It doesn't say, can you jump? It says, I can jump. So this sentence is a telling sentence. It needs a period. And make sure when you're doing this, your periods aren't too big, but they're not too small because Ms. Gates wants to be able to see them. So on your paper, you're going to rewrite the whole sentence. So we're working now on capital letter, period, a finger space between each word, and neat writing. So you're going to rewrite, I can jump. Period. You want to go back and make sure, capital letter, check, period, check, a finger space between each word, check, neat handwriting that Ms. Gates can read, check. Does it make sense? I can jump. Yes, it does. Very good. So I'm going to erase this and I'm going to go to the next one. And we're going to do one more, maybe one more together. So I'm going to skip ahead. So again, you're going to practice these on your own, but I'm going to skip ahead for right now to another one. Okay, so this says, first thing we have to do is read, can you jump? Let's read it again. Read it with Miss Gates. Can you jump? So here we need a capital letter, so a big C. Remember, you are rewriting the whole sentence. And then we have to think, is this a telling sentence or an asking sentence? Can you answer this question? Can you jump? I bet you said yes or no. And you probably said yes, because we can all jump. So since you can answer this, this is an asking sentence. So it ends with what we call a question mark. It's a backwards C, straight down with a dot. Can you jump? So remember, you're going to rewrite the whole sentence. Can, with a capital C, finger space, you, finger space, jump. And do you notice I have no capital letters in the middle of my sentence? Only a capital letter at the beginning with a question mark. So we're not in kindergarten anymore. We can't just capitalize random letters. You have to make sure you only capitalize the first letter of the sentence. So now you're going to try the rest all by yourself, and I can't wait to see your hard work. Good luck.